Okay, let's talk masks. Not those ones, thankfully. I'm going to be reviewing the new Dermalogica Hydro Masque Exfoliant. Why? My skin's craving it. It's ultra dry right now. This is usually something that I feel most people are suffering with anyway. Hope this review is handy and useful. Let's roll the intro and get right onto it. So what I like about this mask straight off the bat is the sheer amount of ingredients within it. Interestingly, it's definitely much more focused about hydration, but it does have a few elements which really help in an exfoliating sense. But one thing that I really like about Dermalogica is it looks at the products and the skin treatment as kind of a 360, like a full approach, meaning that hydration, it's still just as important for a dehydrated skin or a customer looking at something hydrating to also be looking at products which are exfoliating. The reason being is as long as you are helping to slough away that top layer of dead skin cells, build up excess sebum, things like that, you're actually going to increase the benefit of the hydration of whatever you apply, whether it's in the treatment you're purchasing or what you're going to subsequently be following after. And that is where it's at. That's why anything that is hydrating, which has a slight exfoliation to it, is a really great 2-in-1 approach to an issue. And probably my top 5 favorite ingredients that this contains are these. If you want to check these out more, please pause it. I'm trying to keep this video nice and short, but give it a little pause, check it out, because these are some really, really great ingredients and have some amazing benefits for the skin. For anyone who's absolutely not interested in what I'm wearing today, this is actually in the ASOS sale. I think it's around £6 or £7 at the moment. Anything roll neck or something that I can just pull over my head and stay there for a few days, I'm all for. So I previously cleansed my skin. I actually used this one. So if you're interested in finding out a little bit more about this cleanser, I am going to be filming and adding this to my playlist where I talk about all cleansers, everything about them, and I hopefully help with your purchase decisions to make sure that you get the right one. Okay, so this has a very, very, very kind of cucumber-esque scent. Hey Siri, set an alarm for 3 minutes.
Your alarm is set for 16:36.
I'm going to go rinse it off now. I'm going to be right back and I'll give you the final verdict. Okay, so I'm kind of blown away a bit by it. I wasn't expecting to like it so much. Again, with a lot of products, I never stick ages to it at all. This would be perfect for anybody. Dermalogica actually recommend for you to use this once or twice a week. Easily twice a week, you could do it. I mean, I would put this on, I would definitely use this in the mornings. The reason being is because it has that kind of cucumber refreshing fragrance. Around summertime, using this before a bit of after sun, beautiful. So yeah, all in all, I'm really, really impressed. How it's made my skin feel, it feels refreshed. It feels quite cooling. It has a sort of a menthol feel to it. It had a real high stick and quite a thick consistency when it came to rinsing it off. So I would, in the future, recommend using something like a device or a cloth or something which is like a sponge. That's what I would say for any future use. I feel like it's very calming. I usually always get a little bit of redness, erythema, if I'm going to say all professional, which is basically a natural reddening to the skin through touch, through nerves, anything. For me to not get that too much now after rubbing my skin pretty intensely, rinsing off because of that stick, it's pretty good. Dermalogica is not cheap, and that is something that I always want to talk about in terms of transparency. This isn't perhaps everyone's budget. With that, I would then maybe just drop the usage down to once a week minimum, maybe even once every 2 weeks. If you are ever scared of exfoliants, especially chemical exfoliants, or you've got very, very sensitive skin and you've never wanted to kind of delve into it because of fears of irritation, I say with great confidence that I think any single skin type in the world would be able to use this without irritation. That is my personal opinion. Okay. Anyway, if you are interested in other skincare videos, that is what my channel is all about, so make sure to give a little thumbs up down below. Subscribe if you are wanting to, I would love that. And also check out some of the other videos and content that I've been filming recently and over the past few years. We'll see you in the next video and take care of yourselves. Bye.